Thanks for visiting the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos.
Hey folks, Dan Ryan here, ready for one of my one-handed unboxings, since I got to hold the camera and do the unboxing at the same time. So we're going to get started. This is a guitar that my brother had sent to me. I know pretty much nothing about it, except that I'm going to have to take it out of the box. So let's go. So this appears to be an Ashthorpe, whatever the hell that is, guitar, electric guitar. There, you see that? And that's the box it came in. I've already cut the tape. Sorry for avoiding a step, but what the heck. Well, I haven't cut the tape. Leo would be proud. So here we go, cutting tape. Oddly enough, there's only tape on one side. Strange. Okay, so sorry, I had to put my knife down carefully. So here we go. The guitar, the Ashthorpe, comes in a gig bag. A little sheet tells you the parts of your electric guitar and how to tune it. Got some basic open chords and some bar chords. Actually, not bad information for a beginner. Even if you're a beginner, it's going to take you a while to absorb all this. This is pretty much all the stuff that you would teach if you were a guitar teacher to somebody, and it would probably take at least a few weeks to get through all of it. So, helpful. And there's the guitar in its kit bag. Set it aside here. And you can see it comes with a cord and a strap. And it's probably got an Allen wrench somewhere in there. Looks like it even comes with a set of strings. Ashthorpe strings. Famous Ashthorpe strings. So, from the picture, it looks like this is supposed to be a Strat copy, but sorry about this. This is what happens when you try to do things one-handed. So, pretty well packed up. Sorry about all the chaos you're seeing, but like I said, what happens when you try to do things one-handed that are better done two-handed. We're just going to verify that this is an actual Strat copy, and then we're going to stop the unboxing part of this affair. This foam grabs on everything. Well, there you go. It's green, and it's falling over, so let's stop it. So that's the Ashthorpe Strat copy, and We're going to stop now and tune it up and play something for you in a minute. Dan Ryan here, and we'll be back momentarily. Thanks. Hey folks, Dan Ryan here. Today we're looking at the Ashthorpe Strat copy, which is available for the princely price of $109.99, either from Amazon.com or Walmart, probably some other places, but those are two of the major places that you can get this guitar. It's not a bad looking guitar, especially for that low price. As you saw during the horrible unboxing I did, one-handed unboxing, which Leo will probably give me crap about, but that's okay. One hand is one hand. So this is in a kind of attractive green finish. Green's one of my favorite colors, as you probably can tell. And it's not a bad looking guitar. It's got what appears to be a rosewood fingerboard, but probably isn't. The details are a little sparse looking online. It's got a maple neck, unfinished, kind of a matte finish maple neck. It's got its own set of tuners that are acceptable. They appear to be working at the moment, so that's good. The guitar came, it's got a pretty significant scratch. You probably can't see it at this distance. Excuse me. A lot of pollen in the air. What can I tell you? Me and pollen don't get along. Anyway, it's got a pretty big scratch on the pick guard here. It's set up with 3 single coil pickups. Pretty much like an actual Strat. It does have a whammy bar. Again, I haven't attached it, partly because this wireless pickup that I'm using would kind of interfere with it, and secondly, because I just don't really like whammy bars that much. What else to say about this guitar? The back is just black. Got a plastic shield over where the whammy bar goes. Metal shield here on the attaching the neck. All in all, for $109, it's not a bad guitar at all. I'll go through the pickups here in a minute. The voicing of the pickups is actually pretty good. The only thing is that since it has all single coil pickups, it's kind of noisy, and I'm going to show you that right now. I don't know if you can hear that crackling. It's pretty loud here in the trailer. It's kind of the nature of single coil pickups anyway. These may be microphonic to boot, I'm not sure. So, trying to keep this down to about 5 minutes. We'll do a playthrough on another video in a second. But here's the voicing of the pickups, which is actually pretty good. So here's the neck pickup. And you can hear that buzzing a lot. Here's the neck and middle. Here's just the middle. Here's the middle and bridge. And here's just the bridge. this is with everything wide open. That's the way I always play when we're introducing a guitar to you guys. So you can really hear the changes in the pickup setup, which is something I really like, because why have all those pickups if they're, if you're not going to get different sounds from them. So this is the Ashthorpe Strat copy, and we're going to retune and come back and play a little tune for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon to be reminded of our future videos, all that stuff. And we'll see you in a minute. Thanks. Hey folks, Dan Ryan again here with the Ashthorpe Strat copy that we're looking at today. We're going to do a little playthrough here for a minute. As you always hear, I got to keep these videos to around 5 minutes, between 5 and 6 minutes, so that they'll actually send in their entirety over to Leo, who will put them together. So this is just a little backing track, and it's in the key of E minor if you're interested. And here we go. Just a little black backing track played with the Ashthorpe Strat copy that we've been looking at today. For a $109 guitar, this is, I know you hear me say this kind of thing all the time, but it really is amazing to me, considering that the $17 guitar that my mom got me when I was 11 years old, in today's money would be $183. And this guitar is about 100 times better than that. So we're, in terms of what you can get for your money, we've actually been going in the right direction. So anyway, I'm Dan Ryan. Leo Ryan will be putting this together. I want to thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon to be reminded of our future videos. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.